In today's video, I'm going to teach you disconnect VPN and find real info. We're going to verify whether your VPN is truly protecting you by checking your public IP address and your DNS, which is the system that translates website names into IP numbers. This quick check shows if your traffic is leaking outside the VPN. For privacy, avoid sharing screenshots of these results publicly because they can identify your connection. Start with your VPN completely turned off. If your VPN app has an on-off switch, make sure it's off and give it a moment to fully disconnect. With the VPN off, open your browser and go to dnsleaktest.com or ipleak.net. These sites display two important pieces of information: your public IP address, which is how the internet sees you, and the DNS server or servers your device is using to look up websites. Note down both the public IP address you see and the names of the DNS servers listed. This is your baseline, usually provided by your internet service provider. Now turn your VPN on and connect to a server. Any server will work for this test. Once you're connected, head back to dnsleaktest.com. On that page, choose the standard test. This runs a short series of lookups to identify which DNS servers are actually being used while the VPN is active. It's normal if the location or IP looks different now. That simply reflects the VPN server you chose. Seeing several DNS servers listed is also normal. Many providers use multiple resolvers for reliability. Time to analyze the results. A good result with no leak means the IP address and the DNS server shown now belong to your VPN provider and not to your home internet provider. You might see the VPN brand, a hosting company partnered with them, or a location matching the region you connected to. That indicates your traffic and DNS requests are being routed through the VPN tunnel as intended. A bad result, a DNS leak, is when you still see your original public IP address or you see DNS servers from your internet provider. That tells you the VPN isn't fully protecting your traffic because your DNS requests are escaping outside the tunnel. If that happens, treat it as a warning sign that needs attention before you rely on the VPN for privacy. Some sites may briefly cache results, so focus on the provider names shown for the IP and DNS rather than minor city labels. That's it. By first recording your real IP and DNS, then repeating the test with the VPN enabled using the standard test, you can clearly confirm whether your VPN is doing its job.